Hey, tell them how to slide.
Well, first of all, you got to get past your nerves, right? You have to be comfortable with losing control of the car, right? So you want to force the car to lose control. And it's like being inside of like a tornado, chaos, right? But in the middle of the storm is the eye, right, where it's calm. So it's kind of like the same with the car. You want to lose control, but you also want to gain control while all of the craziness is going on. So while the car loses control, you want to fight to gain control. Now, as you gain the control of it, you continue to keep the car out of control. If that makes sense, I mean, those who know how to drive and slide understands that you know how to put one and two together. You know, 1 + 2 is 3.
Right? Not 4.
Huh?
Not 4.
Not 4. Not 4.
They do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. They do it. Come on. Come on. They do it. They be living boomkas. They do it. They be like a boomkas. They do it. Come on. Come on. The big level boom cause she like my flow. Big being on all bitch called the scope. Beat the bar to ride with me and lit bow. I know that bitch like her, she threw up the foe. Done roofing on that bitch gon' hit the dough. I'm in the hood with my bro. No slime on the dude, but I still wipe your nose. They do it. They do it. Bring my twin out the pin, he the real lost star. Used to pull up and shit up the water. Down short, they do it. Hot little boy now.
Go ahead and start recording before I open the door.
I ain't scared you, dude.
What's up, man?
What's that? What's
How
that?
about recording? Hey, as soon as I seen that car, I said, okay, I'm in the right way. What's going
I
on?
seen you, I was like, there's gotta be Slime. What's up, baby?
I was like, I'm following the GPS. I'm like, I seen you, so I like, all right.
If I knew you were coming, I would have just had you meet me in Fayetteville. Just came follow me.
Cause I left Fayetteville.
Yeah,
I thought,
niggas out there probably looking at lights.
I don't want to look at no lights. I want to see car stuff. Yo.
You know you got my color.
What's going on, man? How you doing?
Good, good. How are you?
Shout it out.
Hey, what's going on? Slime Scat in the building. You know, shake the block. We out here. We're getting it popping tonight.
Hey, what's up? How you doing?
I
Go ahead.
I ran into you before though.
You did?
Yeah, I did.
Shout it out.
Warrenburg.
Shout it out. Marcus,
Yeah.
I remember you.
Yeah.
Shout it out.
Damn, how
You gotta think about it. You gotta think about it.
With the IG?
Yeah.
Oh, you can follow your boy at Ayo. It's Marcus with 2 O's. You know what I'm saying? The sliders. Don't worry. I'm gonna be back next week, Wednesday. You'll see. Stay tuned. Stay tuned.
I said how you shot it out. You watch my YouTube? You watch my? Okay.
I was like, yo, like I really don't. I follow you on IG.
Right.
So I'll be like, I'll be staying there too. I'll be seeing you post shit. I'm like,
I might upload this
man, it's my
next
thing.
week.
This thing serious though. You taking it serious for real?
What you mean? I'm not taking it serious. Come on now, check the subscribers. Check the subscribers.
Let me see the subs.
Look at the subs. Look at the ads and the videos. No, go to YouTube.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get it from here, from the link.
Oh, okay.
Barely a sweet tea. That shit ain't hot no more. Anyway, we was out there last time.
Alright, you doing that?
Come on now. Come on now. Come on, in a year.
In a year?
In a year.
This is how I am when
I upload video every Monday and Friday at 6:30.
Take it, dude. Take it.
Okay.
I don't have a coil.
I'm slacking. That's my fault. I'm slacking.
Yeah. So you ain't even subscribed, did you?
I'm about to say, nigga, you going through
Go to the app. Let me see.
I work too much, man. When you dealing with college kids,
I do security here and there, so I mean.
Oh, you ain't subscribed. Go back to it. You,
No. You see it?
Come on.
Subscribe. It is.
You lied. Turn that bell on.
Yes, man. Already.
All notifications.
All that thing. I need that.
Come on, man. Stop playing with me.
I'm sleeping. That's my fault.
Stop playing with me. Hey, what's up? How you doing?
Who got a door?
Cold, bitch. Cold.
I see. Hey, I remember we met at Kute video shoot. Yeah.
Yes, sir. That lame ass shit.
You want to shout out something?
Fuck. To who? To what? To myself?
Instagram something?
Yeah. Big Victory Carter on Instagram. There's a lot of ass up there.
I got you. It's so loud. Say it slow.
Slow ass Mustang.
Just loud.
Man, bro, she called you a bitch.
Hey, what's up, man? How you
How you
doing?
doing? How you doing?
Y'all want to shout out something on YouTube?
Hell yeah, I got you.
All right, yeah. Come on.
Follow me on IG at TayForReal_TAY3FRI0.
What about you? He cut you off.
_KT.3_. I see you. Big chummy.
Y'all want to shout out something?
Follow me on Instagram at TrinGotFans, TRING0TFANS.
She wanna be like me so bad.
What about you?
What's that? Underscore Young Free.
What are you? You gotta spell it, Bree.
I don't gotta spell it. They can spell it.
She camera shy, you can tell.
They might get it wrong.
I don't look at the camera. I just said.
Underscore BRI.
I got you.
Another underscore.
Y'all follow my YouTube?
Now, what
Y'all got your phone? Pull it out. Let me get some subscribers real quick.
Hold on. I got
You
you.
said, hold on one second. Oh, shit.
Ooh.
Weed. I get that, weed.
This shit.
I get that.
I feel it.
It's cold. What you
Yeah.
Slimepack_392.
Come here.
What is it?
Slimepack.
Oh, you slime. Oh,
Yeah.
Bro, I passed it on the way here. I hope the one I should have kept going.
But that was you in the Challenger?
No,
Oh.
that was me in the Camaro.
Oh. Because somebody did that in the Challenger.
No, that was you.
I ain't hear it, man. I was in my my live thing on
You
YouTube.
good?
Much subscribe, I just did.
Appreciate that.
And turn the bell on.
Yeah, all notifications.
You paid? Wow.
Yeah, I sent him.
Oh, no, I was saying you a physical man.
I got you.
Yeah, that's me right there.
You see the car you got?
This is why
Appreciate that.
I love you, bro. Shout out to the fastest scat out here, which is me.
Mustard and ketchup.
Fastest scat out here.
What's your IG?
Oh, fastest guy.
IG is NAR.COS_.
And you still ain't follow me back.
Hold on, I got you, dog. Hold on.
I ain't mad about it. I'm just with you.
I look sister. What the?
Tommy!
Nah, that shit fire though. You good, cousin?
Bree, this is my boy Tommy. This is Bree and her sister Trinity. Whatever. So y'all can't say I didn't introduce nobody.
He ain't doing it all today.
What's up, man? Slimepack. You got Instagram you want to shout out? Yeah, Fibble.
You know, shake the block shit. We always outside.
Right.
What's good?
Shout it out.
Rod Scat. Rod Scat on IG. Follow my YouTube channel. Rod _ Scat. Like, subscribe, do your thing.
Check the fit. Check the fit.
Like.
I thought I looked good. So I said that nigga, you feel me? I thought I was out here.
Hold on. Let me get the light.
Okay.
Get the light. What we got here?
Turn the light on you.
Real sexy casual with it.
Ain't nothing but the shirt. You know what I
Right?
mean? Little, you know what I mean?
Is them Yeezys?
We chillin'. You know Yeezy. What? I'm a bum.
Oh, you a bum with Yeezys on? Yeah, okay.
What? You never seen a bum with Yeezys?
That's right. I see them all the time.
Crazy, man.
What's going on tonight, Rod?
Anytime Jay
Oh man, we got a little competition, man. A little slide competition. A couple cars out here. We're gonna get to it in the pit. A couple races, a couple slides, circles, whatever y'all want to call it, drifts. We're gonna get active. The question is, what you doing tonight?
Hey, I'm recording.
You recording?
I'm recording.
Right,
I'm here for the action.
Copy. I'm out here with it too. You know what I mean?
You know, I might have a clip in the morning. And you know how I be on it.
Nah, we're gonna get to it though, man. Wait for a few more people to pull up. Drive out to where we go and we're gonna get to it. Stay tuned.
All right, man. Appreciate it.
Come on. Yeah. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Bitch, I got out of school.
So we got, there goes Zay over there. Some of the other car club pulling up.
It's light. I said, damn, man going ham.
Yeah, man. I had to steam off, bro.
Hey, Fayetteville.
Shout out to Slime.
What up, Fayetteville? Hey, you know I'm gonna have a clip in the morning.
You feel me? Gotta get right on that.
What's up, man?
Around for a minute. What's going on?
Yeah.
You off again?
I'm off tonight. You say again like I be off a lot.
No, I'm just saying. Twice. Look,
Twice since times.
But I might be off these next 2 weekends because you know a holiday. Christmas next week, then after that New Year.
You don't even be looking forward to no holiday. That nigga stay working. I don't know how you do it.
Hey, just go to work, mind my business. That's it.
My business.
Hey.
That's a smooth slider, ain't it? Yeah, it's a smooth guy. His damn self, ain't it? They got what them tires looking like?
Oh, they brand new. Oh, them ain't going.
Them ain't gone.
My tire sticks gotta go on them again.
Look, I gotta go easy. I probably got 1-2 good slides on mine.
Oh shit.
Well, I gotta get me some new tires. I'm looking like slime over here. Slime, you done rotated yours.
Nah, I can't rotate them.
You can't even rotate them?
Them 295, them
You got a
245.
Scat. Hold on, let me see.
What's up?
If you got a Scat and you can rotate your tires, get rid of your car. Get rid of your car.
Staggered. Look,
I can't rotate it.
275, 295 for now. In a few weeks, 275, 315.
Right?
315. What? You going 315?
Bridgestone.
305.
Bridgestone, you don't need a spacer. If you get what's the name, you need a spacer.
I got the 305.
You see them 315s on there, that means it's gonna eat lunchtime.
Go eat lunchtime?
Go eat lunchtime.
Oh, yeah.
315 is gonna be straight.
Hey, look, keep me at 305s.
I'm saying with them.
I might do 315.
You still got your stock wheels?
Going with the Mickey Thompson.
Start rims. Yeah, I can get 305s on stock rims.
You don't need no spacer for them.
But you ain't got stock rims.
Yeah, that's my old ones.
Exactly. It's a wide body. What is this? He took the badges off. It's their Instagram. I don't exactly know what it is because they debadged it, but it's a wide body. Hey, y'all got something y'all want to shout out on YouTube, Instagram, or something?
Subscribe to my channel now.
What is your channel?
Milton Perez. Look it up, subscribe.
Hey, they bring it.
Want to shout out something?
Shit, just bring it, meet up, let's get it.
What about you?
Shout out Mills_2. I don't know my Instagram name, Martin, but it's on my car now.
Where your car?
That Mustang right there behind that coat.
He said his Instagram is on this car. That's his Instagram.
What's good? My name is Jalen Martin, representing Fuquay. Yes,
You got an Instagram or nothing?
Nah.
Come on, man.
Nah.
But hey, put your old YouTube in my phone. You subscribe to mine?
I don't.
Oh man, come on, go ahead, type yours in.
That one's yours? The green one?
Yeah.
Shit's nice.
Appreciate it. Come on, man. How often you upload videos?
So what?
How often you upload videos?
I stopped.
Come on, man.
Like 4 or 5 months ago.
When you gonna start back?
I don't know. I drive now, so it's harder to fucking, try to vlog at the same time.
Man.
This one yours, right?
Yeah.
She got NOS.
That's it. That's it. I got ain't nothing done to the engine. Just did the outside stuff. Gotta watch my YouTube. You gotta subscribe and keep up. I can't give you free content.
I like that. Keep up.
What you just say?
If you park from here on back. From here on back, line that shit up.
Oh, no problem with this Corvette.
Yeah, not that Corvette can have it.
It's stock.
Huh?
It's stock. Ain't but about 380, 390 to the wheel.
Shit, me. 100% stock.
It ain't got no top.
Hey, look, that means you too. You park right there, my guy.
Fuck it, we can do it.
But I want, where Ann at though? There you go.
Show you how it's done.
Show us how to do it.
They do it. They do it.
Oh, why? Hey, watch out.
Put the board on the T now, rocking the butt. Been jogging the boys, man, cause it was thick. Pressing the ears, this shit can get ugly. Hit the boat with the young, got them holding stomach. Out through the hood with the blick on me. Say, hold boom, don't put the dick on me. I'ma walk through the hood like a rich homie. Get the fucking the bitch with my stick on me. I'm high as a bill like a Marley. And that bitch think a fuck said Barbie. Get the pop when I see them a spark. Act up in this bitch and get me out the party. I'm high as a bill like a Marley. And that bitch think a fuck said Barbie. Get the pop when I see them a spark. Act up in this bitch and get me out the party. Kiss me on the block, bitch, I'm green. Go pick up the money like church with a dick. We shoot up your shit for no reason. I know if we fight one-on-one, bitch, your shit gon' be leaking. I am a big bitch, I should take with this.